So everyone is going to take it off. So let's read it out today.